An architectural marvel in Mumbai, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is one of the finest functional railway station buildings of the world. Formerly known as Victoria Terminus, it is used by more than 3 million commuters daily. Inscribed on the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in 2004, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus was designed by F.W. Stevens. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus was the first terminus station in the subcontinent and became the symbol of Bombay as the Gothic city and the major international mercantile port of India. Spread across a 2.85 hectare area, the terminal was built over a period of 10 years starting in 1878. It is an outstanding example of Victorian Gothic architectural revival in India, blended with the themes derived from Indian traditional architecture.